Do you know there's a whole process between quiet on set and action? The assistant director is the one who calls out these commands, and they're meant to keep the filming process organized. When you're about to go for your take, you'll call for last looks, and that's when hair, makeup, and wardrobe will do any last-minute touch-ups to the cast, and art will make sure that everything is in place. The AD will tell the PAs to lock it up, which is when they close the doors and tell the other crew members not to enter set when they roll. Then the AD will call quiet on set, and the PAs have to echo this to the rest of the crew who's not on set, but usually they shout this. Back on set, the AD will say roll sound, the sound person will say sound speeds, the AD will say roll camera, and the camera operator or the first AC or assistant camera will say camera speeds. Then the AD will say mark it, and the second AC or assistant camera will slate the take. After you wait for everybody to settle or stop moving, the AD will either call action or give the director the cue to call action. And when the scene is done, the AD will call cut over walkie so that the PAs can echo this to the rest of the crew, letting them know that they can move around again. Then you reset and do it all over again. Let us know what else you'd like to learn about, and I hope this was a good tip for you.